Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps on this watch. First thing we need to do, or rather before we start, if you want to change the goal for the steps on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, Activities, and here you find the steps. Oh, my bad. Steps. And tap on it, of course. We have the steps menu right here. We have different statistics for the steps, but what we are interested in is the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, and then tap on Edit Goal. And here we can edit the goal for the steps. You can also turn on the automatic goal if you like to. But if you want to have a custom one, disable the automatic goal and enter the goal you like and then tap on Save. Once you save it, go back to the main page of the app, sync the watch with your phone, and once you sync it, you should see that the goal updated. So if we open the glances, go to the steps. Oh, it didn't update yet, so let's try again. Let's see if it updated now. No, it didn't. Let's try to sync the watch again. Okay. It should be updated. Let's check the activities again and the steps. It did save, so why doesn't it update on the watch? Okay, we're gonna try to sync the watch with the phone directly from the watch. So I'm gonna open the controls menu by pressing and holding the control button. Look for the sync icon. Do we have it here? No, we don't. So I'm gonna press and hold the, oh, my bad. I'm gonna press and hold the middle button. Select Add Control, find the sync, here, add it, and then go back. And now I'm gonna find the sync on the controls menu and tap on it to sync the devices. And let's see if it's working after it's done syncing. It's sync in progress. Okay, and let's check the steps now. And now it is updated. Okay, so it just took some time for the watch to sync with a phone. Some problem. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.